Hey you guys, are you in need of a new look? Are you looking for something fun for work and sexy for night? Well, I'm going to show you how you went from this to this in 5 minutes. So keep watching. Well, welcome back you guys. I'm Stylist Lee. If you're new to my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button below. Here we have Miss Monica Davis, and she may look familiar to you guys. She was on our last makeover video, which you can check that out here. But let's go ahead and move on with the makeover. So today, I'm going to be doing a versatile look, something that she can have fun with at work and also have a nice transformation at nighttime, something nice and sexy and fun. So we're going to start with tip number 1. And hair tip number 1 is always good to start off on clean hair. It just moves better, it flows better, it's easier to work with and manage, and just the overall look just looks better. We've already washed her, conditioned her, and blow dried her. She is natural and her hair is pretty thick, but she wants something just a little bit longer than what her real hair is. So we're going to add some length to her hair, and you guys keep watching and we're going to get started. Alright you guys, we're back. So we went ahead and finished up her 3 rows. As you can see, nice and neat, clean. I'm going to go ahead and sew in her extensions. And we're going to be using the hair from SL Raw Virgin Hair. It's going to be in 18 inches. It's the loose curly. We went ahead and went with the loose curly because it's going to be thick and full to her natural density, so it'll blend in really well. It's going to give her the nice length that she wants. So let's go ahead and sew this. Alright you guys, so we're finally finished. So we went ahead and sewed in all 3 of her rows. She has length now, and we went ahead and doubled up on her tracks for each row just so we can equal out that density of her natural hair. Hair tip for number 2. Never go past 2 tracks because these are fine braids and you don't want to add too much weight on those braids because that can cause breakage. Maximum 2 tracks per row. The minimum, depending on your client's density, you can do 1 track per row, or like I said, maximum 2 tracks per row. And as you can see, this is the loose wavy from SL Raw. We didn't use all of it, it was just 1 pack, and we still have some hair left over. So if she wants to save this for another time, or say for instance one of these rows after wearing it for a while and the tracks just get worn out, she can always replace it with the hair. So I'm going to go ahead and get into this. I want to show you guys the versatility of all the looks that she can do, and for fun at work and sexy at night.
what you did.